Okay. Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. Is it? Hold on. Hey, hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, I want to talk about vaginas again. For the girls who already know, you already know. This one is for the girls who do not know. Now, today I was scrolling on Twitter this morning, or X, however you want to call it, and I saw somebody post this spray. It's this vagina mist that they're selling on the TikTok shop. It sold a whole lot of stuff. It's called the Pink Bible, right? When I saw it, it reminded me very much of Sweet Cookie Wash. They have body wash or feminine wash. They have the mist, which is what they were promoting on Twitter. They have, or not even promoting, just talking about. What else did I see on the website? Let me stop guessing. They have the feminine wash. They have a feminine oil. They have feminine wipes. They have the instant mist refresher, and they have a perfume oil, right? Love that for them. Love the girl power, all of that. Me personally, I don't believe in using products externally to sweeten the sense of the vagina. I feel like if you're doing that, you're masking a deeper issue, right? Regardless of who is making the products, it's not something that I personally support. If you love it, good for you. I feel like it kind of shames women who have, or all of us, we all have this natural scent, this natural odor, right? The vagina is supposed to smell like flesh. It's supposed to smell like skin. It's supposed to smell like nothing, essentially. Okay? If you want a better smelling vagina, you probably just need to change your diet. I know for me personally, if I notice that the scent is getting off, is because I'm not drinking enough water, I'm eating too much red meat, I'm not eating enough vegetables, not enough fruits, too much alcohol, too much juice, too much soda. Your diet plays a huge part in the way your vagina smells. The reason why your vagina has probably a fishy or a foul smell could be because you have BV, could be because you have a yeast infection. Again, in part to your diet. Your vagina is self-cleaning, and that's the inside of it. I'm not talking about the labia, I'm not talking about the clitoris, I'm talking about the vagina itself, the inside part, right? Now, with it being self-cleaning, what that means is that within your vagina there are healthy bacteria and there's bad bacteria. Your vagina pushes out the bad bacteria, and that's the discharge that you get in your panties, right? Your discharge, there's healthy discharge, there's abnormal discharge. You have to, and I recommend every time you go use the bathroom, you look at your discharge and see what it looks like. If you have zero discharge, you probably need to drink more water, right? If your discharge is not like a cloudy, white, creamy, soft consistency, something might be wrong. If it's gray, green, black, red, blue, something might be wrong. Oh my gosh, my battery is dying. Oh my gosh, can I finish it before it dies? All right. Check your discharge, please. If you have any odors, foul smelling, just off, itching, burning, anything like that, please go and talk to your doctor. I can give you all the advice in the world. These TikTok girls can give you all the advice in the world, but please, your doctor knows best. Your doctor can do a full panel on your entire body and tell you what's going on, what you need to fix, what you need to correct, give you the correct medication if needed, so that your vagina can smell like a vagina. Only was my memory card full. My battery died, so I had to delete some stuff and I had to charge it for a little bit. So let's just hurry up and finish this, okay? Okay. So what I was saying is that the instant mist refresher, which is that, right? She has that for $12, or they have that for $12. It comes in cranberry, strawberry, amber, time of the month, and mama bear, right? It balances pH, stops itch or burn, leaves amazing scent, amazing for BV and yeast infections. The ingredients are as follows: tea tree oil, 24K fold flakes, I think that was supposed to be gold flakes. Lavender oil, neem oil, Avena sativa, lemon oil, frankincense oil. There should be a comma right there. Oregano oil, chamomile oil, arrowroot oil, sage oil. I don't know how to pronounce this. Geranium oil. I think that's how you say it. Is that the... No, that's the Better Than Gold oil. That's not the Instant Mist Refresher ingredients. Hey, there is no ingredients list. Cranberry soap, time of the month, Mama Bear soap. Hold on, you guys. Okay. So there are different mists for different things. So like the Mama Bear has vitamin C, lactic acid, honey extract, dead sea salt, hyaluronic acid, goat milk. Okay, time of the month, boric acid, lactic acid, cramp bark, cinnamon, mother, okay, magnesium, wild yam, castor oil, vanilla hydrosol, amber hydrosol, goat milk, lactic acid, boric acid. So for the most part, her ingredients are natural, right? Cranberry hydrosol, honey extract, boric acid, lactic acid. Okay, so for the most part, the ingredients that she's using they're all natural, right? And they all have different benefits, and it's for you to do your own research and see, you know, if that's what you want to put on your lady bits. The problems that I was having, let me move this in case it vibrates. The problem I was having is that the video that I watched on Twitter, she was telling you that you should spread your labia, you should spread your lips and spray in between and then air dry. I read a comment where they claimed that she allegedly said that she doesn't wipe, she just mists. She said that you can't get all the urine away with just wiping. I don't like the misinformation that's being spread. I don't like it at all. I really, truly don't. I really, truly don't. If you have been out all day and you're sweating profusely, right? Like sweating, it happens. We all perspire. And if the sweating is happening down there and you have a smell, like it smells green, again, you need to drink more water. If you can't take a shower, you go to the restroom, you should have like a pouch in your bag. I feel like I have my everyday bag. Hold on. This is my work bag. This is my everyday bag. In this bag, I have everything, right? All my keys, my wallets, everything. And then I have this pouch. This pouch has tampons, pads, perfumes, you know, whatever it is, band-aids, nail clippers, nail files. Ugh. Whatever it is, I feel like, you know, just in case something happens or somebody needs something, I have it. Now, if you are the type of person who, you know, you have to be at work for 7+ hours in the day, then you should have a bag like that that has either your all natural wipes, or you bring like a soap, some type of soap that you use down there. Like for me, I use African black soap, but then again, I'm not on the road all day. I'm able to come home and refresh if I need to. Now, I would say bring a soap, whatever, you know, cleanser that you use, like a smaller size, a travel size, put that in your pouch. Have either a washcloth or use paper towels at the job, damp it, clean yourself up, and then move on. Wear panty liners to catch the discharge. If you pee a little bit when you cough or laugh or sneeze, which, you know, it happens to the best of us, your panty liner will catch that. You throw away that panty liner, put on a fresh panty liner, and you go from there. I prefer the all natural organic pads, tampons, and panty liners, but that is just me. Again, do your research and find out what it is that you like for yourself. I'm not trying to talk down on the Pink Bible products. What I don't like is the way she described using it. I never ever want any of you to spread the lips, your labia, right, and put anything up there in between there, unless it's your fingers when you're taking a shower and it's just water on there and your all natural product that you're using. Like for me, the black soap, I put it like in between the lips, you know, just to yeah, but nothing ever up into the vagina. So I don't like the whole spreading lace and spraying anything up in there. After you pee, again, wiping is perfectly just, nice, clean tissue, perfectly fine. Not a wet wipe, not a paper towel, not a drip dry, actual like tissue. Wipe properly from front to back. You should be fine. You should be fine. Again, if you have any foul smelling odor, any fishy odor, anything like that, I feel like it's probably your diet. If it's not your diet, it could be BV from a sexual partner, or however else you catch BV. Like, my mind is drawing a blank. It could be a yeast infection, which could be from, oh my god, my thing is dying again, which could be from antibiotics that you're taking, which is what happened to me. I was on some antibiotics and that happened to me. It could be whatever. You wash your underwear with your socks. There's some people who get it, just get it. It happens. It's a part of life. It's okay. Things happen. But talk to your doctor before you buy anything, any topical treatment that's supposed to be the miracle cure for odor. Reevaluate your diet. Make sure that you're working, or make sure you're drinking enough water. Make sure that you're getting your regular checkups. If you have any questions, talk to your doctor. That's what they're there for. That's what they were trained for. Okay? Again, I can give you all the advice in the world. TikTok girlies can give you all the advice in the world, but your doctor knows best. Okay? Make sure that anything that you're choosing to use down there, you're reading the ingredients list properly. You're making sure that you're not allergic to any of these oils or oats or roots or trees or teas that they're putting in these products. Okay? Only you know your body. You. Learn your body. And that's how I'm going to end it tonight. So the light all gone down. I'm going to charge this now. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section.